Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Want to increase your income and secure your financial future? Look no further. In this video, I'll reveal the top 5 high-income skills that will make you rich and set you on the path to success. Number 1. Programming and software development. With the increasing reliance on technology in almost every industry, there is a huge demand for skilled programmers and software developers. These professionals can command salaries in the 6-figure range and often have the ability to work remotely or start their own businesses. Number 2. Data science and analysis. Data is becoming increasingly important in business decision-making, and professionals with the skills to analyze and interpret data are in high demand. Data scientists and analysts can work in a variety of industries and can earn salaries that range from $80,000 to over $100,000. Number 3. Sales. Whether you're selling products or services, the ability to persuasively communicate and close deals can lead to a lucrative career. If you have a natural talent for persuading and influencing others, a career in sales could be a great fit for you. Sales professionals with a proven track record of success can earn high salaries, often with lucrative commissions and bonuses. Number 4. Marketing. Marketing professionals are responsible for promoting products and services to potential customers. From traditional marketing strategies like advertising and public relations, to newer tactics like social media marketing and content marketing, there are many ways to excel in this field. Marketing professionals with a strong skill sets can easily earn 6-figure salaries. Number 5. Management and leadership. Strong leaders are in high demand in almost every industry. If you have the ability to motivate and manage a team, you could be well suited for a management or leadership role. These roles often come with a high level of responsibility and a correspondingly high salary with numerous opportunities for career advancement. So there you have it. 5 high-income skills that can help you achieve financial success. These are skills that have a high demand in the job market and therefore command a high salary. These are not necessarily skills that you are naturally talented at or that come easily to you, but rather skills that you can learn and develop through dedication and hard work.